Hello, my name is Fiona, and I'm a certified teacher and a Praxis coach with Study.com. Are you preparing to take the Praxis Elementary Education Math Content Knowledge Test? That's Test 7813. This exam covers multiple topics in elementary education. These practice questions cover the subtopic of geometry. Let's review some of the types of questions you may encounter on the exam. Let's get started. Problem number 1. All of the following are three-dimensional shapes except, is it the nonagon, the pyramid, the dodecahedron, or the tetrahedron? Now, before we get into defining these, let's look at the question again. All of the following are 3D shapes except. Another way of putting that is, which of the following is not a 3D shape? So which of these is not a three-dimensional shape? So that's what we're looking for. Let's start with dodecahedron. This is a polyhedron with 12 rhombic faces. What's a polyhedron? A polyhedron is a solid figure with typically more than 6 faces. So the dodecahedron has 12 rhombic faces. So it is a 3D shape. So that is not our answer. A pyramid. Now, a pyramid is a shape with a polygon base with triangle sides meeting at a common point. And that, too, is a 3D shape. So that cannot be our answer. A tetrahedron is another type of pyramid, but this type has a triangular base and 3 triangles meeting at a point. It's also a 3D shape. So what is a nonagon? A nonagon is a 2-dimensional, 9-sided, closed figure. And it is also the correct answer. Problem number 2. What is the total distance of 4 line segments that measure 1 inch, 2 inches, 2 inches, and 3 inches respectively? In order to find the answer to this question, we have to add up all of the lengths of the 4 line segments. So we have 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 2 is 5, plus 3 is 8. So the total is 8 inches, and that is our answer. Problem 3. Which line is the transversal? What is the transversal line? This is a line that passes through 2 lines at 2 distinct points. So let's go through each of these lines. A goes through line D, 1 point. B goes through no lines. So we can cross off A and B. C also goes through a line, but only at 1 point. So it is not C either. D passes through line C and line A, 2 distinct points. The answer is line D. I hope I was able to answer your questions so that you will gain a better understanding of the topics you can expect to find on the test. Please remember to like and subscribe to this channel so that with Study.com's help, you will feel confident and prepared on exam day. Bye for now.